everyone, so today we're gonna make a short crust pastry, which we can use it for any kind of savory tart you like. Mainly myself, I use this pastry to make my quiches. And it's so nice, it's so much butter into it, so the whole thing. So we're gonna start by weighting up the flour. So I had to divide my recipe for like time 10 to get something small and enough to get a 12 inches tart case. So flour, we need 420 grams of plain flour, is too much. 420. And then into that, we're gonna put some butter. So butter. This is a beautiful butter made in a local farm in South Devon, UK. We're very lucky. Look at this color, it's beautiful. So we're gonna need 200 grams. So see, half of the weight of the flour. Very rich. Okay, 200 grams, yeah? I'll put it in the flour so it's not sticky. And then I'm gonna dice it. Put everything together. There we go. That goes into your flour, yeah? And in there, we need 8 grams of salt. So usually it will be like a soup spoon and a half. Yeah, it's very tricky, the small grammage. 8 grams. So a soup spoon and a half. And now we're gonna cram it. So I got clean hands. And we're gonna cram the butter with the flour. It's very therapeutic. Lovely. By crushing the butter like that between your finger. So that will take a few minutes. Obviously, if you have a machine, you can do it into your machine or RoboCoupe even. But then it's not the same because you don't feel the product. It's coming on. It smells delicious. Once you have like very thin lumps, then you can use the whole hand. So you do this until you have no more pieces of butter. Okay, so you see this consistency now? All the butter has disappeared into the flour. It looks like a beautiful sand. No more pieces of butter. It's very loose. So now we're just gonna combine the whole thing with water and we will be done. So water, you need 150 grams. That's a bit too much. Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna use one hand to start with. So it's very wet. but once it has rest in the fridge, it's beautiful to work with. Clean the bowl, then we're gonna put that on the bench and give a little friction just to make sure everything's combined. So you scratch the dough and pull it back to you. Voilà. Not over mix, otherwise the dough will become elastic. So just like that is totally fine. So this can go in a cling film in the fridge as flat as possible, so it cools down very quickly and you can use it as soon as possible, really. But better to do it the day before and use it the next day. You'll have a better result. Okay. So that goes in the fridge 12 hours or overnight, and on the next video we'll do something with it. Thank you very much, guys. See you soon.